Welcome back to another video. We have taken off some clips just to get this thing hanging out a little bit to be able to access these two bolts here. We're gonna take care of this two bolts, three bolts there, and the three bolts in the back. Right now, Ryan is putting a pole jack just in case.
Car's jiggling.
The car is already jiggling. We also have a downpipe on it, but today we're focusing on the front pipe, which is this thing right here. Let's get to the install. There's two bolts in the back, one here, one here. They're both 10s. We took them off. You don't have to remove this whole thing if you don't want to. We're not going to. It should dangle plenty enough for you to access the only two bolts that are difficult, which is here.
But it's okay.
Let me just grab and show you guys
these two nuts.
The new front pipe. There we go. Gaskets and hardware. Ooh, the motor move. Get yourself good lower motor mounts. And
survey says
it's off. It's already off the back end.
Yep.
Oh, there you go. So you just take it out, turn it slightly. Don't hit it back and forth like what Ryan's doing.
No, that's fine. Just be very gentle with a little bit of finesse. It comes out.
Yay! And then all you need to do is remove that. And I think ours is using I think it's the bottom one we're using. I forgot. Top or bottom? We'll figure it out a little bit. Yeah. But yeah, that's basically how it looks. Next step is to remove the OEM one. Do you want to spray it with some stuff?
Yeah, we do have stuff.
Off. All right, let's put that in.
All right, graphite gaskets.
Hey, got upgrade. Sort of, not really. Slide it through. Back. All right. Oh, we just need to grab the
Gaskets.
Put the gasket.
Put this on.
Supply gasket.
Yep.
Put that in there. Oh, it's popped out.
There we go.
Oh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Ah, wash your hands. Oops. There you go. Perfect. I know earlier we said the bottom one is actually the top one. I forgot which one we used to mock it up. But make sure it's out of the two, top one. And now Ryan is gonna do the rear.
All right, let's get this set up.
Which is going to be gasket and stud. So he's gonna put one in to just hold it in place.
Yep. Interesting. Which way you want the bolt?
Doesn't matter which way you actually choose. Oh. Okay. All right, so I know I didn't really film that. It was kind of hard because you need a double team, but basically you want to put this wrench, a thin wall one, behind it, then torque it down. You can also use this way, doesn't matter. These are 14, the back is a 16, and torque this to 40 foot-pounds as per the owner's manual. But don't forget to put these back in. These are 12s. These are just hand tighten. You don't have to torque them down.
These ones
should be good.
Yep.
And then just put everything back in. And now we're gonna cut to sound clips. So 22-23 front pipe installation is complete. It doesn't sound that loud because the owner still has the stock downpipe and the stock resonators and the stock muffler and everything is stock. The only thing that's changed is the front pipe. So you're obviously not gonna get that much noise increase. So with that said, this concludes our installation and we'll see you next time.